Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this a small video about some of my trades and my analysis. Just wanted to show that how my analysis and my Magic IP system works together, and if it is any beneficial for you, then you can come and join. So let's get started. Pound yen weekly chart I made on the 5th of September this month, right? This is how my analysis is, and I cover almost like 12 to 14 pairs, doing oil, gold, and some of those indices, DAX, S&P 500, and all that. So I do analysis on all of these things, and have charts like that, weekly chart, monthly chart, made up that shows the direction. Very, very important. If you know the direction of a pair, where it's going to be next week or two, all you have to do is have a very good entry system, and then you just take the entry in that direction, and that's it. So let me show you how I did. 5th September, I said, okay, it went up, came down, went up, came down, the direction is up, yen is going to get weaker. Yen index is almost like that. So the pound yen will be going to the upside. So what happened? I start looking for longs, and look how I take it. And I'm going to show you only few of those trades, because the small one, they are like scattered all over my computer. I don't know. So whatever I found. So look, this is on the 14th September. I forgot to record this one. This was the trade that I did, but I didn't record it. You can see it here. Recording means the live trade on right now. So this is the trade that is on right now. Okay, buy order here. SL moved to here, and then I record it, and after a little while I close it. Late entry, even though this is a late entry, but look, 170 pip, and it is from 40-minute chart of pound yen. I use these candles and 40-minute and 20-minute charts for the entries. So this is a trade, and then this was the first you just saw. Okay, this one I didn't even record it, but it was a trade. This was a trade, and then this is another trade, 240 pip, straight up. Okay, just because of my weekly chart. Okay, I'm not taking any shorts whatsoever. Okay, and another one you can see here, 140 pip. Okay, nice and easy, all long. This was the trade you just saw. This was, and then this is the one on the 21st September. It went up all the way again, 400 pips. So it's like 600-700 pip all, already just in this month of September. Having that analysis, weekly analysis chart, which I almost have all of those 12, 14 pairs, and the indexes. 5 currency indexes I watch: Euro, USD, Euro, Pound, Yen, and Aussie. Also CAD. So this is what only the pound yen did. Okay, and a lot of trades, the small one, 30 pip, 40 pip, I don't even record those. Like this one here, it moves up, and I, move my SL, and then poof, comes down and take it out. That's it, fine, close the trade. But only the big one I show. Okay, and similarly, for example, let's say this is a Euro yen chart I made in April here, right? And imagine what I have done with that, because it went straight up to where I said it will. 61% here of this drop. Look at this. You went straight up there for almost 1400 pip run from here to here. And I did several trades, and I even made a video only for Euro yen, the chart and the trade is on my YouTube website. YouTube channel. Trades like this. See, this was an entry, this was an entry. This is the entry that I'm showing here, right? This was another entry, but I didn't take it because I'm already in. So this is how it goes, and that was my target. Target was 33.80 actually, but it went up to 34.14, and I closed the trade. So this is Euro yen. Similarly, if you look at other pairs, for example, I'm going to show you a couple of more. That's it. Euro USD here. See, from here, I said we're going to go up here. This is January 2017. I made the chart, and the target was this, and then if you break this and see this yellow line, that's 20.41. That was the target. Look what happened to this chart. In September, from January to September, we came and hit this line. This is 20.41, monthly low. Straight up that. more than 1,000 pips. I think it's like 13, 14, 1,500 pips from here to here. Okay, from 06 to 20, imagine. 1,400 pips straight up. And then I think, oh yeah, this is the one. See, this USDCAD. Same time I made this chart, weekly chart, that is going to drop there. Look where it went. Here. 1,400 pip drop so far from here to here. Now it's started to pull back, and I had trades going short, short, short. Now since it's retracing, on the 27th September, look, long, long, long. When it start to retrace, price automatically come above the wave, and you will see that it is retracing and going to the upside. Even though it's a counter trend, you can take it if you know what you're doing. This is what I teach in my webinars, when to switch the side, and be careful when you're going against the trend, because this thing is going to drop again later, because USD right now is retracing and going to the upside. USD index, which is USD strong. So when USD gets strong, USD CAD goes up, USD yen goes up. Okay. And once the fourth wave is finished, it will start dropping for wave 5, USD index I'm talking about. So USD will start getting weaker again. And then USD will flip side and start dropping. USD yen will drop, USD CAD, USD yen, USD franc. And then other pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD will be going to the upside again. But so this is how my analysis is. I teach Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, trend line, channels, SNL levels, how to get them. And I give all these charts to my subscribers, and not only charts, but I also give the templates. Okay, so that you apply the template on your chart, and you will have exact the same chart, my weekly charts basically, and with the analysis on it. For example, like this one. You will have it, all the bullish, the numbers, the lines, everything will be there. And then, I explain in my webinars how to use them. So you will become expert in no time. But, you need to learn a little bit. Okay, learning is the key. It gives you confidence. If you learn, instead of just pressing buy and sell buttons, if you learn why am I selling or why am I buying, then you know where it is, and it gives you, it's a good feeling, and then, confident that, okay, this is what I am doing. If I'm selling, this is where I'm selling from, and this far we have to go. So you, very easily, with confidence, you can trade, knowing what is happening every moment of the way. Okay. So this is it for now. If you like what you saw, go on my website and start trading like this. Big trades, right? 240 pip. Look how nice it is. The same setup it made. Went up, came, indicators all the way down, entry goes up. Came down in this area, indicator all the way up, and down, and then start to go up. That's it. Okay. Usually, I'm showing here, this is the trade, right? But the entry basically came out from 20-minute chart. Okay. So this is how it is. If you like what you saw, go on my website, subscribe. And today's Saturday, you get the setup, system, setup, everything, set up your charts. There is a little bit of work to do to open up these charts, right? And once you do that, and I also give you an alarm, EA alarm, which is when the setup is made or about to made, it starts beeping. So you don't have to stick to the chart all the time. You just open up whatever the trade, the pairs that you want to trade, and on 20-minute charts, put that alarm on, and you can do things around the house, watch the TV, whatever. But as soon as it starts beeping, you will see that there is a setup. And then when you come in and start watching when it kicks in, okay, you cannot trade this market 24 hours. Okay, you're gonna get killed. There are certain time that the market moves. Other than that, it ranges and goes up and down and up and down, and take out your SL every time you try to get in. But at a specific time, the market moves in one direction like this one. See here, up and down, and then came down, something like that. So you need to know when the market moves and when to make the entry. Okay, and how to make the entry. You always make the entry on a pullback. When the continuation starts, then you get in, so that you don't get a pullback on you. Okay, and then a lot of people will use the breakout strategy. For example, if you break out here, this will went up there, right? But what happens most of the time when the price breaks out, it comes back to test. So you make an entry here, and it will go up a little bit, and then will come back and get you negative, just to test it. But then people get scared and they close the trade. As soon as they close the trade, it comes back, the test failed, and then poof, it goes up again. Okay. So I don't use that strategy, breakout strategy whatsoever. I use only retracement. Okay. When the retracement is done, the move start to continue in the previous direction, get it. Then you don't have any chance of the price to retrace on you. Anyway, so this is all mumbo jumbo I teach on my webinar, and you're going to learn all that. Okay, I do 2 webinars a week, Wednesday and Sunday at 4 p.m. Where I teach and go over the market, what has happened, what will happen in the next couple of days, and get my subscribers ready. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.